There, I'm Claudia from CD Lingua, and today I wanted to talk to you about the correct pronunciation of the letter Z in German. The Z can be quite tricky in German at times. You would pronounce it as z, like in the name Betsy, z, in the name Betsy. Now let's have a look at a couple of other words. Das Zebra. Das Zebra. Always have a little try in the gaps. If you just try it as well yourself. Das Zebra. Der Zoo. Der Zoo. You realize it's quite different to the English as in zoo. So the Z is not soft in German. It's really sharp. So it's der Zoo. Like Betsy, der Zoo. Der Zwilling. Der Zwilling. Der Zahn. Der Zahn. Die Zwiebel. Die Zwiebel. Das Flugzeug. Notice that the Z is in the middle of the word in this case. So it's das Flugzeug. Der Zug. Der Zug. Das Spielzeug. Das Spielzeug. Der Zucker. Der Zucker. Das Zelt. Das Zelt. Well done, everybody. So I'm saying goodbye for now. That was Claudia. I'm Claudia from CD Lingua. All the best. Tschüss.